Here we are, we're gonna find out what's really cool at Frieze New York 2015. This is a big fair. Be sure to bring a map. This is an installation by the Mexican artist Melena Mosquiz. It includes the gallery staff wearing dresses with designs based on the artist's ceramics. That's really cool. Richard Tuttle is an artist who can make magic with the most minimal of means, but the entire environment is all designed by Tuttle. That's really cool. That's really cool. Inspired by the artist Helio Oiticica's so-called parangoles, is wearable art. The artist Pia Camille is offering her own wearables, which you'll see people wearing all over Frieze Art Fair. That's Pia Camille, and that's really cool. How do I look? So Lisa Cooley, dealer from the Lower East Side of New York, is showing fabric works by Josh Fox. The rest of the booth is by an Austin artist named Andy Coolquit. He turned his house in Austin into an art project. It's Andy Coolquit at Lisa Cooley, and that's really cool. So we're seeing one of the Frieze projects, Aki Sasimoto, and it's called Coffee and Tea. It's a little overweight, which is maybe not really cool, but that's all right. It's structured as a personality test. Each room gives you two choices. The first choice you make is tea to the left or coffee to the right. We need a boost, so we're gonna go with coffee to the right. Sheep's wool and horse's tail. And we heard ding dong. And we're out, we're done. Thank you. I got a button that says that I'm into candy. This is a ceramics artist named Ken Price. He died a few years ago. There's been a huge resurgence of interest in ceramics among a lot of artists in recent years. Really cool. In 1975, Fluxus artist George Machunas devised what he called a flux labyrinth or a flux maze. And in tribute to these sort of alternative venues and alternative projects, Frieze has organized a flux labyrinth with contributions by various artists. I think I know how to get through the door. All right, here we are in Jeffrey Hendricks' room. Please tick one of these boxes, says the form. Here we go. All that work I put into filling out that form. Korean artist Namjoon Paik. Heya. Tight squeeze. Ugh. Brushed. This is Korakrit Arunanangcha's massage chair, and I tell you, after that Flux Labyrinth, I need a little TLC. So I'm told that people aren't really touching it because apparently they think it's too precious. So here with Gallery Kamehameha from Paris, we have sculptures that plainly look like they're based on children's drawings by an artist from Kosovo named Petrit Halilaj. That's pretty cool. Martha Araujo. That's really cool. That's really cool. So here's an artist named Zachary Leaner at Tiff Siegfried's gallery from LA. That's really cool. At Gavin Brown's booth, the artist Jonathan Horowitz is crowdsourcing and having everybody try to paint perfect circles. So this is apparently going to take 30 to 60 minutes. So go find some stuff that's cool if you want. I'll just be here painting. Ta-da! I got a thumbs up from teacher.
It's a wonderful job. Well done.
That's really cool.